Bipolar and related disorders are complex mental health conditions characterized by significant shifts in mood, energy level, and activity. These disorders can have a profound impact on an individual's life, affecting relationships, work, and overall well-being. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll delve into the different types of bipolar disorders, including bipolar 1, bipolar 2, and cyclothymic disorder, to provide a comprehensive understanding of their symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment options. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Bipolar 1 disorder. This is marked by manic episodes, which are distinct periods of abnormally elevated, expansive, or irritable mood and increased level of energy or activity. These episodes can last for at least 1 week and often require hospitalization due to the severity of symptoms. Manic episodes may involve risky behavior, impaired judgment, and difficulty in functioning socially or professionally. In addition to manic episodes, individuals with bipolar 1 disorder may also experience depressive episodes characterized by feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest or pleasure in activities. These depressive episodes can last for at least 2 weeks and can be debilitating, leading to difficulties in daily functioning and an increased risk of suicide. Bipolar 2 disorder. This is similar to bipolar 1 disorder but is distinguished by the presence of hypomanic episodes rather than full-blown manic episodes. Hypomanic episodes involve a milder form of elevated mood and increased energy, which may not be severe enough to cause significant impairment in functioning or require hospitalization. However, these episodes can still have a disruptive effect on a person's life, leading to impulsive behavior and difficulty maintaining relationships or employment. Individuals with bipolar 2 disorder also experience depressive episodes similar to those seen in bipolar 1 disorder. These depressive episodes can be severe and debilitating, contributing to significant emotional distress and impairment in daily functioning. Cyclothymic disorder. This is a milder form of bipolar disorder characterized by numerous periods of hypomanic symptoms and depressive symptoms that do not meet the criteria for full-blown episodes. These symptoms may persist for at least 2 years in adults and 1 year in children and adolescents, with periods of stable mood lasting for no more than 2 months. While the symptoms of cyclothymic disorder are less severe than those seen in bipolar 1 and bipolar 2 disorders, they can still have a significant impact on an individual's life, leading to difficulties in maintaining relationships, employment, and overall well-being. Diagnosing bipolar and related disorders requires a comprehensive assessment by a qualified mental health professional. This may involve a thorough evaluation of symptoms, medical history, and family history, as well as the use of standardized psychiatric assessment. Treatment for bipolar and related disorders typically involves a combination of medication, psychotherapy, and lifestyle modifications. Mood stabilizers, antipsychotic medication, and antidepressants may be prescribed to manage symptoms and stabilize mood fluctuations. Psychotherapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy or interpersonal therapy, can help individuals develop coping strategies, improve interpersonal relationships, and manage stress. In addition to medication and therapy, lifestyle modifications such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques can also play a crucial role in managing symptoms and preventing relapse. Bipolar and related disorders are complex mental health conditions that can significantly impact an individual's life. Understanding the differences between bipolar 1, bipolar 2, and cyclothymic disorder is essential for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. With proper diagnosis and comprehensive treatment, individuals with bipolar and related disorders can manage their symptoms, improve their quality of life, and lead fulfilling and productive lives. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of bipolar disorder, it is essential to seek help from a qualified mental health professional for evaluation and support. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health resources, please visit my Etsy shop. The link is provided in the description box below. Once again, if you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.